I'm Daphne Kabasita presenting to you the weather update from Uganda National Meteorological Authority in collaboration with UBC. According to the last 24 hours, sunny conditions are still prevailing in most parts of the country, but some few areas reported rainfall, and that was Kampala. It reported 14 millimeters. Looking at the satellite image taken over Uganda today shows that the southern sector had cloudy conditions with some few areas having rainfall, but then the northern had sunny conditions. Later in the afternoon, conditions changed. The eastern and the southwestern part of the country had cloudy conditions with some few areas still reporting rainfall, but then sunny intervals prevailed in other parts of Uganda. This is because of the moist winds that are blowing from the Atlantic Ocean into our country through the Congo forest. That's why the southern part of the country is having cloudy conditions, and also we are benefiting from the moist winds that are coming from the Mozambique channel towards our country. And then the dry winds are coming from Sahara Desert. They are leading to the dry conditions that we're having in the northern parts of Uganda. Tomorrow we are still expecting light showers and sunny intervals in most parts of the country, apart from some few areas in the north where we are expecting sunny conditions. Later in the afternoon, the conditions are expected to change to light showers in the eastern and the western parts of Uganda. Temperatures expected to rise to 35 in Kotido, and then in our capital city, we are expecting temperatures to rise to 28, in Kabale, 25. If you expect to go to some cities in the world, cities like Johannesburg, we are expecting heavy showers. Moscow, we are expecting snow, and then in Nairobi we are expecting sunny intervals. In Sydney we are expecting sunny conditions with temperatures rising to 28. For more information about weather, you can visit our website as it is displayed on your screen. Have a nice Sunday.